to find the circumference of a wheel and tire. The reason why I do this is because there's a lot of people out there that have problems choosing which wheel to get because they don't know if the tires they have at home will fit it or vice versa. So this is going to be how to choose a wheel and how to find the circumference of a wheel and tire. The things you're going to need is a wheel and tire, or if you only have one, then only do one, and a pencil, eraser, and a ruler with a calculator. Okay. Now, when it comes to the circumference, you have to find the formula. There's two ways. There's two formulas. Let me just let you guys know that C equals circumference, D equals diameter. This sign here equals pi, and R equals radius. So the first way is C equals pi D, which means C equals D times pi. Second way is C equals 2R times pi. So here we go. First thing I'm going to start off with is the tires. I have two different tires here, so I'm going to find out the diameter first. You always want to make sure that you go from the middle and that you start from 0. So the diameter of this is 6.9. And I'm doing this in centimeters, so yeah. So now you know. Now what you want to do is take out your calculator and type in what your diameter is. Mine is 6.9, so I'm typing 6.9, and then I times it by 3.14, 26.66, or if I round it, it's going to be 26.67. I mean 21.67. My bad. I wish I did round it. Make sure that when you're doing this, you round everything to the second decimal. Alright, so time for the next tire. I'm going to do it the same way I did it. I have to give you guys two examples. Make sure you're going down the middle again, because if you're like right here, you can get that wrong. If you're here, you can get it wrong. So make sure you're in the middle. This one is 7. So now what you want to do is refresh your calculator and type in 7 times 3.14, which equals 21.98. If it's already rounded to the second decimal, you don't need to round up. It's already good. So now we're done with these. Now I'm going to show you the second way to do it, which is with radius. I'm going to take my first wheel, which is this. I'm going to find the circumference. You want to go down the middle again. This one is 6. Hold on. This one is 6 on the dot. And when you're doing this, make sure that you times your radius by 2. Hold on. So this is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. I don't even need to use my calculator for that. Now 6 times 3.14. Refresh your calculator again and do 6 times 3.14, which equals 18.84. Now, time for my next wheel. So this one you want to go straight down the middle again, and the radius is 3.4, 3.5. I'm going to write 3.4 because that's what it is. Now 3.4 times 2, but 4 times 4 is 8. So that's 0.8. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 2 is 6. Now you want to put that in your calculator. 6.8 times 3.14 equals 21.35. There's a 2 here. If it's not above 5, then you don't round it. You round down. So it's 21.35. And that's how you find the circumference of your wheels and tires. Alright, bye.